Bienvenidos estudiantes. So today we're going to be talking about the basic pronouns of Español. To start off with, we're going to do the singular pronouns, which is yo for I, tú, which is you familiar. Familiar is basically somebody who is either younger than you, friends with you, just somebody you don't have to really hold to a very formalized standard. Usted for you formal, so you would definitely use this with somebody that you're not really sure of their age, if you know that they're definitely older than you, somebody of a higher standard. Él for he, ella for she. So I'm just going to highlight this for all the singular pronouns. All the singular pronouns are now going to be in red. Then we move on to the plural pronouns. So to start off, we're going to go with nosotros and nosotras for we. Vosotros, vosotras for you familiar, and again familiar means if somebody's younger than you, friends with you, etc. Then we're just going to look at ustedes for you formal. So formal again, somebody who's older than you that you definitely want to hold to a higher standard. Ellos, they, and ellas, they. So again, everything just depends on if they're male or female. So nosotros, nosotras, if they're all men, all women. Vosotros, vosotras, men, women, ellos, ellas, men or women. So I'm just going to highlight all of these, and all the ones that are in light blue are now going to be all the plural pronouns. So there you go, everybody. Adios.